Welcome back, Ryan.
Hey everybody. Today we're gonna try a powder coat. Coat.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. It's part of the company that we're starting. The Redline Redefined is going to do powder coating. So we're going to try to powder coat today. If it fails, that's personal use.
Well,
it's not going to fail. I mean, it's a trial and error. Everybody starts somewhere and you got to figure it out. So this is a bracket or a brace, a stiffener, whatever you want to call it, for the 8 that goes on the strut tower. So I thought for our first time, we would powder them. We're gonna go illusion purple, so there's 2 stages. You have to do a super chrome first, so that's the base coat, and then you do the top coat, which will be the illusion purple. So it should turn out pretty cool if we do it right.
And we always do things right here.
Yes.
Psych.
That's why the speed.
Like I said, the only issue, no spoon engine. No spoon.
Try to spoon, there's your spoon.
Yeah. Redline Ryan here. Look at this makeshift setup.
It'll get better as we go.
Right.
This is, like I said, this first time we're just rolling with it.
Yeah.
I wasn't even gonna put like a little booth up. But, you know, Mr. Nick here.
Yeah, I don't feel like cleaning up a lot of stuff.
I don't blame him. I have no idea how crazy it's gonna get.
Oh, we got speed racers outside.
Alright, so we're using the Eastwood gun, the DIY kit that will come with your canister, and then so we'll give that a shot. Only thing I did read a review, it doesn't have like a seal and it might spray out a little bit, so we might have to put like a rubber O-ring on it later on, but that just goes on there. So let's go ahead and put the powder in there. So let's see if we can do this without a little funnel. If not, we'll make one real quick. I feel like this is gonna be. Is it clean? Oh, it's already coming out. We'll go with that one. It's like, does it good?
So how much powder is that, Ryan?
I thought I ordered a pound.
That might be a pound.
I think stuff we ordered, I'm pretty sure we only ordered a pound. I don't know how far it goes, but we're gonna find out.
What's the negative for?
The negative, so powder coating works where it positive charges the powder, and then you got to run a negative on your part that you're painting or powdering, so that way the negative will cause the powder to stick. If you don't use it, it won't stick, it'll just fall off. So you're basically electronically charging the parts. I don't like.
We're not scientists, though.
Nope. I didn't come up with it.
We're definitely gonna try it.
Yeah, we like DIY stuff, do it yourself, figure it out. We'll do it this way. Okay. So compressor's up and running, this is up and running. I guess we just spray it. See? Safety first. Always leave it on the bench. You don't need that. But we
have the mask though.
we did. I was intentionally going to use the mask to be safe. And
that's the thought that counts, right?
It is. I mean, I bought them. So the super chroma has to be heated up. The part itself has to be heated to 375 for 15 minutes. And then we can pull it out, let it cool down, and do the other one. See if I can burn myself. There's the part. Okay. So now we bake it. Gotta let the part come up to temp, and then after the part's temp, it'll be 15 minutes.
So, for you guys, it'll be right now.
Ooh, look at that. Oh, that is very nice.
That is pretty cool.
Should have run some oven mitts.
Oven mitts?
See, working with the oven like
oh,
we're baking today, dude.
Jeez, I can't bake worth crap.
Well, I can't either, but I can bake parts.
There it is.
So this is coat number 1.
That looks pretty sweet.
If you're going for just chrome, I mean, that's nice.
I don't know how well the lighting is helping you or not.
So you have the right fittings, connections. Alright, so with the gun being cleaned out, now we can run the purple.
50, 70 degrees?
Yeah, that's like 49. So this is the Illusion Purple. There it is.
It don't look all that great right now.
It's all dull, but we're about to see some magic. Illusions.
Purple.
Okay. Second part. And then just let me touch it. Okay.
And now we wait.
Now we wait. You guys want to see our little setup for our starting setup? So like we talked about before, we got the Eastwood gun. It comes with all that stuff you see there, the box and everything. And then you got, they say that they recommend, besides what your compressor has, to get an external pressure regulator. I went with the digital one from Rx8. You can go with whichever one you like. And I just got some fittings to hook this up. I like to change it later on as we go. And then they also, to help protect your powder, you want to run like a water separator air filter thing for your compressor. And that's just temporary, that's just to get it on there. We'll set it all up better, but figure why not try to do it correctly as best as I could.
Without being sponsored.
Yeah, nothing sponsored. I mean, Rx8 has powder coat guns. You can get them off, other ones off Amazon, probably eBay, but this is the one I went with. So yeah, so now we wait, and that screen is really dirty. It's all cleaned up. But yeah, so now we just wait. All right, we need to keep an eye on this one though.
Yeah.
Because it's only a 2-minute once it starts to gloss. Not yet. I'm too rushed.
Yeah. This is the most impatient guy I know. He has to go everywhere fast.
Redline Ryan. Fits me. Just doesn't fit when you're trying to do tedious stuff. Oh.
Side note, if anyone's done an Integra with a K20 swap, I need to figure out the fuel pump wiring.
366.
366. So what's baking temps? 425?
400.
400?
For 2 minutes. But that's part, not oven.
Huh. Well, we had some issues.
Well, let it do its thing. But I'm so confused. I don't know. I don't know. I really don't know. So I'm not experienced or anything. The silver worked. We did see that. We're 342. I'll see you guys in a minute. Apparently, when you're doing the illusion purple coating, you have to have a clear vision to go over top of it. I guess it brings out the purple. So when you do purple, it comes out silver. Again, it was so weird because we did the super chrome, it came out silver, chrome, whatever, and then I was like, what did we do wrong? Oh, Nick had to leave, by the way. So it's just me finishing up. So I'm gonna go ahead and order the clear vision, get it here, then we'll finish this up, do the clear on there, and see what that happens, because we like did this twice now, so it's probably not gonna be as good as it could be for finish wise. But like I said, this was our first time. Minor detail that I missed, that's my fault. So I'm gonna go ahead and order that. I'm gonna get cleaned up around here a little bit, and I gotta take off. So as soon as I come back, and we'll see what it looks like. All right, peace. All right, everybody, we're back with the powder. Had to order the, what is it, clear vision. That's the one I ordered because it was on the list. So it's basically shows up all white on there, and then it'll turn to clear. So on illusion colors only, as far as I know, it needs a top coat. So the process we went with was 3 coats. 1, the super chrome. 2 is the illusion purple, and then the clear vision clear for the top. That the clear brings out the color somehow. I don't know, it's magic. It's probably why it's illusion. I guess the best thing to do when you're doing this is do everything at once and not come back. You had to re-clean stuff, and it's probably not all the way clean. So it was $375 for 18 minutes once the part is 210. Not burn myself.
Yeah.
So we'll let that start going. And actually, while that's cooking, I'll show you guys the other one. So how about that, dude? That is awesome. So I was telling Nick the finish is probably not gonna be perfect because we were wondering what the heck was going on, why it wasn't turning colors. Well, turns out you needed that clear vision like we were talking about to make it work. So we put extra purple on. It's probably got like 3 layers of purple. Yeah. So it's probably too thick. Like, so it didn't get all the clear on there. So it wasn't all the way clean. And then this, how it's bubble like that, I think it actually fell. So when you're doing it, for our future reference and then you guys, just make sure you're careful on what you're doing, because finishes everything. But for the first time, that is beautiful. It's pretty, on the 8, it's gonna go pretty much like that. But let's see if we can do a little footage of changing colors. So it's starting to change. Once that part gets to temp, we'll finish that out, but I can't wait to powder my next part. All right, well that was pretty fun.
Yeah, it actually worked.
Yeah, we were
in the back.
We were so confused. It was really confusing when we first started, but we'd got it finished up. Always read your directions.
Yes.
to the little letter. So
The very end. The very end.
Well, it was in the middle, but.
Well, you know what? We like to skim a lot.
Yeah. So what's coming up next is we're gonna meet up with Neo. Noe. I suck at names, so I'm really sorry. But he lives local, so we're gonna meet up with him. We got the baby bottle going in his car. We're gonna do some test runs, and obviously meet up with him, give him the part, see what all he's doing, and have a nice day.
Yeah, hopefully it doesn't rain.
I hope not. If not, we'll still run it.
Oh yeah, I'll get it sideways. I don't care.
You don't care. But yeah, check us in the next one.
Yep. Deuces. Stay safe.
Peace.